Hi, in this video I'll show you how to set up an IoT device in our IoT cloud-based system using RIOT-OS. You need to set up a virtual network using TAP. I prepared a simple script, so run set network and compile using make clean or term and specifying the port, that is TAP 0. Okay, now we have a small RIOT shell where we can execute command. Firstly, run ifconfig to add a global IP on the TAP interface. Before connect, we need to launch Mosquito and the PAO MQTT-SN transparent gateway. Therefore, we can connect our RIOT device to the MQTT-SN gateway, and to connect, we run con. Okay, now we have connected, so we can send commands. Before doing that, we need to set up the device name. So we put the command set device piano, and now we can send the command pub telemetry. Temperature is 2 and humidity is 12. So we can check on the dashboard if the data is correct. Okay, and also the timestamp is updated. Thank you. In this second part, I will show how to run our code on real device. First of all, we need to copy our code. Then we launch a new experiment. While the device are running, we can flash our code using the command board equal IoT. Now devices are running and we check that is the 10 device, so we can flash it. Go to bin IOT-LAB M3 and now we can flash with the command update. We use netcat to access. Command help sensor to check, or Saul read 6, for example. Saul to check. Thank you.